Today, I'm showing you how to cancel a Chase Zelle payment. So whether it's a payment that you made to someone, whether it's a friend or a bill that you're paying, let's say that you want to cancel it. How would you go about that? So as you can see, I do use Chase. This is my Chase for Business. It works the same with checking. Basically, as long as your Chase account has access to Zelle and you use Zelle, there is a possibility of canceling the payment. So for this one, we're going to be specifically using the Chase mobile app. So to make it easy, I have a bunch of screenshots of me using it. As you can see, it was literally a few minutes ago, but this is my same account, the business account. And for this, you're going to find your way over to the pay and collect. This is what you're looking for, and go ahead and tap that. So after you tap it, you're going to be brought to this page right over here. So there's a couple rows that you can select, but what you're after is your activity, because this is where you can actually see all of the purchases that you've made, especially the purchases that you've made through Zelle. So go ahead and click see activity. This will then bring up the pop-up and it'll ask you which one that you want to see. So for obviously our situation, we're going to go ahead and click Zelle. Then on this page, I'm just hiding the money received portion of it because obviously privacy reasons, but you're going to find your way over to the money sent. This is the tab you want to be on. So after you hit that, then you'll be seeing these. So this is very important. Make sure to pay attention to this portion of it. What's going to matter is this thing down here. So as you can see, this is completed. This is a transaction that they've already accepted and I can't do anything about it. This is delivered, which means it automatically got received on Chase's end. Whether it was manual or automatic, doesn't really matter. The point is it's already been sent, so there's no way to undo this. But either way, basically, the concept is still the same. All you have to do is tap it. So tap this. This will open up the details to this transaction in specific. And as you can see, I can hit cancel, but this just brings me back to the old page. There's nothing at the bottom. I just wanted to show you this because this is what it looks like when you can't undo the payment. But let's say you can undo the payment. What it'll look like is it'll say pending. This is very important. So if it does say pending, it means they either haven't accepted the money yet, enrolled into Zelle on their end, and you can still cancel the payment. So for this instance, I sent $1 to a friend of mine and it says pending, which means I can cancel it. So if I simply just tap this, it'll lead me to this page right over here. As you can see, $1, but the thing that changed is not only is the status pending, we have these two options at the bottom, whether you want to edit the payment or cancel the payment. So obviously in my case, I want to cancel the payment. So if you click that, it'll lead you onto this little pop-up that pops up at the bottom. So obviously go ahead and click yes, cancel payment. After you click that, it'll not only give you a new page that'll basically say that the status of your payment has been canceled, but it'll also tell you a little notification at the top saying that we couldn't deliver, yada, yada, yada. And obviously it's going to tell you the recipient. I hope this helped. But in all honesty, if this manual method does not work, you can always just simply call customer support and have them cancel it and tell them the reason for it. Just explain the situation and I'm sure they'd be more than happy to comply. But I do want to warn you again, if the funds were already sent and accepted and they're already enrolled, it might be irreversible. But hopefully I helped you guys out. And if you know any method that I haven't covered in this video, feel free to let us know in the comments below. If this helped, consider subscribing and have fun with your day.